Another day, another story. PICTORY. AI and Chat GPT-3 will skyrocket your business. Chat GPT. Unlocking the true potential of content generation, audience growth, and starting a profitable business. In recent years, the field of natural language processing has seen significant advancements, and one of the most notable is the development of Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a pre-trained transformer model that has the capability to generate human-like text, which can be fine-tuned to specific tasks such as content generation, language translation, and more. Chat GPT to generate content. In this video, we will explore the capabilities of Chat GPT and how it can be used to unlock its true potential for content generation, audience growth, and even starting a profitable business. Chat GPT to improve SEO and increase social media engagement. One of the key benefits of using Chat GPT for content generation is its ability to improve SEO and increase social media engagement. Chat GPT can be used to generate important elements such as meta descriptions, title tags, and even full blog posts. Chat GPT to grow an audience. Another powerful way to use Chat GPT is to create a chatbot for a blog or website, which can interact with the audience, answer their questions, and provide personalized recommendations. This can help to increase engagement and build a loyal audience base. Chat GPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach content generation, audience growth, and even starting a profitable business. By offering consulting services, creating and selling chatbot services, or creating profitable services such as automated writing, automated content personalization, and automated translation services, you can take advantage of the opportunities presented by Chat GPT and start a profitable business. Learn how to use Chat GPT effectively, such as tutorials, guides, and online communities. To take full advantage of the capabilities of Chat GPT, it's important to have a solid understanding of the technology and its potential use cases. Luckily, unlocking the true potential of Chat GPT, from zero to hero. Thanks for watching.